What's the difference between believe and believe in? Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. In today's lesson, I am going to talk about the differences between believe and believe in. So let's start these 2 minutes and let's go. Believe. When you believe something, you're saying that you think something is true or wrong, or you believe that somebody is telling the truth. Are you sure about these things? Well, no, you're not sure about them. You're just saying that you believe these things, or you're just expressing your thoughts. Look at these examples. What do you think? Did she believe the things her husband told her? We don't know. Maybe she believed him. Or, I believe the scientists will find a way to live forever. Am I sure? No, I just think like this. Or, you cannot believe whatever you see on Instagram. How can you believe those people? Or, I cannot believe that girl is 25 years old. She looks older. So, in all of these sentences and questions and whatever, I'm just talking about the things that I think, okay? I'm not sure about them. I'm just talking about my beliefs and thoughts. On the other hand, when we talk about believing, we're saying that we have faith in the truth or existence of something. Okay, you're sure that something is true, or you are confident that something is going to be good, or you're going to become successful. For example, do you believe in God? Well, many people believe in God. They think that God exists and is true. Or do you believe in love at first sight? Well, I don't know. Many people think that you can love somebody when you see that person for the first time. Or you shouldn't believe in ghosts. Some still believes in ghosts. So let's summarize this very fast. When you say believe, you are saying your thoughts, but when you say believing, you have faith in what you're saying. Oh my God, time's up, and I told you everything about these two things. I'm so happy about it because I had lots of things to say, and I think that I'm a genius that I could tell them all in 2 minutes. What do you think? Aren't I? Well, here I put 2 sentences for you. I want you to fill in the blanks with believe and believe in. Write whatever you think and comment your answers. I'm going to check them all. So don't forget to check the other videos on my channel. I'm sure that you're going to like them too. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You're going to see more videos every week, every day about different topics. So subscribe to my channel and like this video. Love you all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!